We already discussed the rules of how we can group while we are grouping ones. What are the rules to be followed in a corner map? So according to that, only we have to group these ones here. All right. Okay. I'm coming to the first question, students. First one. It's like this. 3 variables. Therefore, 8 cells we need. So 3 variables, A, B, and C. So we can write the headings like this: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, here 0, 1. So ones are mentioned like this here and here. That's another one here, right? So the basic rule, yeah, we can group 1, 2, 4 likewise, and minimum number of group should be there. Maximum number of one should be there in one group. So according to that, we can group like this. Like this here, overlapping is no need because 2 ones separately, 2 ones are there. So we can group like this. If we group like this, 3 groups comes. Minimum number of group means this one is correct. Hope this one correct in all you. That means you 3 did this correctly. Please raise your hand, those who got correct this. First one, first question. Yeah, right, good. I'm coming to the second one. Okay, second one. The question is, yeah, there are also 3 inputs. That means 8 cells we need. A, B, C, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Here 0, 1. Ones are mentioned like this. 1 here, here 1, 1, and here another 1 is there. So horizontal and vertical grouping is allowed, and diagonal grouping is not allowed. So we can group like this. 2 ones are there, we can group. And for this one, there's no any other one. We can't group diagonally. So only we have to group like this. And for this one, is there anyone? Students, this one, is there any other one? Students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, there's another one because this is wrapped around. We told it. This is wrapped around. So we can group like this one and this one. So 3 groups, maximum number of ones included in each group. So this is how we can group in this corner map. We can group ones in this corner map. Those who got correct, please raise your hand, students. Most of you, I think you didn't mention this. You didn't consider this. Yeah, those who got correct. Because corner map is wrapped around left to right, top to bottom, it is wrapped around. No one. Right. So you have to concentrate on this. Okay. In this situation, we can take most right corner one with most left corner one because it is wrapped around. Right. I'm coming to third one. Okay. Third one. There are also 3 inputs. That means 8 cells we need, and it is drawn like this. That means not landscape portrait method. So A, B, C. Yeah, it's given like this. So here 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, here 0, 1. Those are the headings. I have given ones like this: 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1. So how can we group this? Yes, students, most bottom ones and most top ones. It is wrapped around. So we can group these 4 ones separately. One group. These two, one group, because it is wrapped around. Okay. So for this one, we can use this one. Overlapping is allowed. So only 2 groups, and one group 4 ones are there. Other group 2 ones are there. Those who got correct, please raise your hand. Students? Right, good. Right, I'm coming to 4th one. So if you forget the rules, you have to, that means remember it. I already given the rules. Okay. 4th one, if not, if we use corner maps without using these rules, we can't get the simplified version or the simplified Boolean expression. Just a minute, students. Sorry, students, an important call is received, right? Okay, I'm going to the 4th question, right? 4th question is, there are also 3 variables like this. Because of 3 variables, we need 8 cells. And here I have given A, B, C like this, A, B, C. Okay, the column headers 0, 1, row headers 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Right, once given, once mentioned like this, 1, 1, 1, 1, and yeah, here 1. So it is very easy, students, very easy to group. Hope you all correctly group it. Like this 4 ones we can group, and like these 2 ones we can group. That's all. So 2 groups, each group maximum number of 1 should be there. So this group 4 ones and this group 2 ones, overlapping is allowed. Yes, those who got correct, I think all are correct. Yeah, good. Right, I'm coming to 5th one, students. Okay, right. 5th one, 4 variables are there. So therefore 2 to the power 4, 16 cells we need. Okay, 4 variables, 16 cells we need. I have given as AB, AB downwards, AB, and here CD. So column headers, row headers comes like this: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. Right. Ones are mentioned like this: 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1. Yeah, 1, 1, 1, 1. All these are ones, right? But we'll see how we can group it. Okay. Can we group 6 ones, students? Can we group 6 ones? in
Can't.
one group? Can't. Only 4. 2 of 1, 2, 4, 8. Likewise. So we can't group all 6 ones at once. Okay. Right. So we'll group like this. So here 4 ones. I group it. And here 4 ones. I can group it. Second group. And here 4 ones. I can group it third group because the maximum number of ones should include in one group. Okay, here 4, 4, 4, 3 groups, but 4 members are there. 4 number of ones in each group. Okay, then this one, for this one, is there any another one to group? Yeah, here this is wrapped around, no, so we can group like this one with this one. Clear? Those who got correct, please raise your hand, students. There are 4 groups. The 3 groups, 4 ones are there. In this group, 4 ones. In this group, 4 ones. In this group, 4 ones. And this group, 2 ones. So 3 groups, 4 ones are there. That means maximum number of ones are there in 3 groups. And the last group, 2 ones are there. They are also maximum number of ones. Those who got correct, please raise your hands. Durya. Others made some mistakes. Right, okay. Correct it, students. So according to rules only you can group. That means you can't group 6. Sometimes you may group this like this 2, 2. It's also wrong. Maximum number of ones are not there. So there's a rule. We have to include maximum number of ones for a group. Okay, right. I'm coming to next one. The last one, 6th one. Hope you can see this part. Yeah. Just I'll erase this one and I'll take it to here. Okay, 6th one. There are also 4 variables. That means we need 2 to the power 4, 16 cells in the Kana map. Okay, the variables are given as A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. So column headers and row headers like this: 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0. So the ones given like this: 1, 1, 1, 1, and 1, 1, 1, 1, 1. Right? You can group like these, students. Maximum number of ones should include one group. Here 4 ones, and here also 4 ones. Maximum number of ones. And here no need to, that means take this. Okay, we can group these 2. Here no need overlapping. So 3 groups. Hope this one correct. All. Please raise your hand, students. This is easy one. Students?
Sir,
Yeah.
sir, we can wrap that, no, sir?
Which one? This one?
Yeah, 3 ones.
Then it becomes 3 ones. No, we can't group 3 ones. Clear?
Okay. Sir.
We can't group 3 ones. No.
Yeah.
If there are 4 ones, we
Okay.
can group it. Clear?
So 2 ones also can.
Yeah,
2 ones can wrap.
Yeah, 2 ones can, as you said, we can group like this. We can group like this, and we have to group again like this. Then 4 groups are there. One group, additionally, one group is there. So minimum number of groups should be there. Maximum number of one should be there. The basic rule is that basically you can easily remember minimum number of groups. Here 4 groups, so it is not allowed because we can create 3 groups. It's enough. Here 3 groups, minimum number of groups, and each group, right? Okay, maximum number of ones. Okay, right.
Thank you,
Hope.
sir.
Okay, welcome. Okay, students, hope it's clear. Yes, I'll give another 2 as exercise here in whiteboard. I'll give, so quickly. Yes, group it. Now you know the rules, and thereafter we'll move on to the next part. That means yeah, we can move on to the next part of this Kana map, right? Yes, I'll give 4 variable. That means 16 cells we need. I'm using these 2. So while you are grouping, you have to remember the rules. It's very easy rules, right? I'll give like this. Right. This is 7th one. And 8th one, I'll give like this. Quickly group it, students. Right. Quickly group it, students. Here I have given another 2 questions to group once. So quickly group it. After completion, raise your hand, students. We'll see how we can group it according to the Kana map rules. Okay, we'll see how we can group it according to the Kana map rules. Here, 4 ones. Okay, maximum number of ones. Here, 4 ones. Because it is wrapped around. Only 2 groups, and each group 4 ones are there. Raise your hand, those who got correct. We can't group like this, okay? These two, then 3 groups are there. Minimum number of groups should be there. So here, 1 group, here, 1 group. Right, good. Now you know the method. Well done. So I'm coming to this one. I'm going to group this. Here, 4 ones are there. Can create 1 group. And here, 4 ones we can group like this. 2 groups. And here also 4 ones like this. 3 groups. Okay, 4 ones, 4 ones, and 4 ones. Okay, 3 groups, and another 1 group is there. Altogether 4 groups. Those who got correct, please raise your hand, students. All got correct. Is it? Durya, you did it correct.
Yes, sir.
Shamila? Shamila?
Yes. Yes, sir.
Shafia? Correct.
No, sir. I
No.
grouped into 4, but then I haven't wrapped it.
Okay, right. Okay. Okay, students. So these are the rules to be followed while we group ones in a Kana map. Okay, now we'll see by using an expression how to write ones, how to mention the ones in a Kana map. Okay, using a truth table, we can have a SOP expression, SOP expression. Whenever the output becomes 1, we are getting min terms. And while we are adding min terms, we can have the SOP expression, SOP expression. By using an SOP expression, we can write ones in a Kana map. So we'll see how we can write a ones in a Kana map. Okay. Right. I'll give some examples. After that, you have to do some exercises. Actually, in this lesson, while we are doing more exercises, we can easily remember the things. Okay. All right. First one, I'll take like this. Q equal A bar BC plus ABC bar plus AB bar C, AB bar C plus A bar BC bar, A bar BC bar. This is the post expression we got. Sorry, SOP expression, SOP expression. Sum of products. These are product terms, or even we can say min terms. So sum is there, sum of products, SOP expression. So we are going to simplify. Sorry, not simplify. After that, we'll see how to simplify. We are going to mark ones in this according to this expression, right? So how many variables are there, students, here? How many variables? In this SOP expression, how many variables are there? Yes, Durya? I'm asking, this is an SOP expression. How many variables are there?
3 variables.
Only 3 variables. Correct. A, B, C. 3 variables are there, no? Then Shafia, if there's 3 variables, how many cells we need in Kana map?
8.
Yeah, 2 to the power 3, 8 cells we need. So now I am going to draw the Kana map. Okay. We can draw it like this or like this way. Both are okay, right? I'm using this landscape method. We need 8 cells. Yes, Shamila, what are the variables?
A
A,
and B, C.
B, C. Can you tell me the column headers and the row headers in order? Yeah, Shamila.
0, 0,
0, 0,
1, 0,
0,
0, 1,
0, 1,
1, 1,
1, 1,
1, 0,
1, 0. Good. Row headers?
0 and
0,
1.
1. Right.
Mm.
Now I am going to mark the ones. Concentrate here. Now I am going to mark the ones in this Kana map. Okay, that is very important thing. So A bar BC is there. A bar BC. A bar BC means 0, 1, 1, isn't it? A bar BC means 0, 1, 1. Students?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Then 0, A bar means here 0. 1, 1 is here. So 1 comes here. Okay, again I'll repeat it. A bar BC is the min term given in the SOP expression. First min term, A bar BC. That means 0, 1, 1. So A bar here, 0. BC, B and C, 1, 1. So 1, 1 means here 1. Clear? Students, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right.
Yes.
I'm coming to second min term. Okay. Second min term. A, B, C bar. That means 1, 1, 0. A, B, C bar. 1, 1, 0. Here 1, A1. B, 1 here. C, 0 here. That means here 1, 1, 0. Here 1 comes. That is second min term. Okay. Third min term. A, B bar, C. A means 1, B bar 0, C means 1. Okay, then A 1, B bar, that means B 0, then C 1, that means here. A 1, B 0, C 1, it's here. It comes 1 there. Clear? Is it clear, students?
Yes, sir.
Right, okay.
Yes, sir.
The next one, A bar, B, C bar. A bar 0, B, C bar it's 0, right? 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay, then it comes 1 comes here. That's all. We already mentioned all 4 min terms in our Kana map. Again, I'll repeat it. A bar BC, that means 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. So this one comes. Okay, I'll put a right here. Okay, right. Then A, B, C bar, that means 1, 1, 0. Okay, 1, 1, 0. Okay, so here 1. Here A, B bar, C, that means 1, 0, 1. 1, 0, 1. That means here 1, 0, 1. 1 is there. So next one, A bar, B, C bar, 0, 1, 0. Okay, 0, 1, 0. Just a minute. Is there any mistake?
Second one we made mistakes.
Second, this one. This one.
It should be down.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wait. 1, 1, 0. Okay. 1, 1, 0. Yeah, it's here. Okay. 1, 1, 0. It meets here. Okay. Right. These 3. Okay. Now I comes to here. 0, 1, 0. 0, 1, 0. It meets here. So 1 is there. So we already mentioned once according to the SOP expression, actually according to the min terms. Now we can group it. Can't you group it? Yeah, like this. 2 1s and here 2 1s. And for this one, there's no any other, so we have to group it separately. That's all. After that, we can simplify this Boolean expression using this. I'll explain it later. Before that, we should know how to, that means mention the ones in a Kana map using SOP expression or the using min terms. Is this clear? Is this clear, students? Right. I'll take another one example. Okay. We'll see another one example. After that, I can give some, that means exercises for you to complete, to answer. Right. I'll take another SOP expression. SOP expression. Q equal A B bar C plus A bar B bar C bar plus A bar BC plus A bar BC bar plus ABC bar. Right. This is the given SOP expression. According to this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 min terms are there. So we have to mention 5 ones here. 1, 2, 3, 4 min terms are there. We mentioned 4 ones. So how many variables here, Shamila? How many variables here?
3.
Yeah, 3 variables. So there are 3 variables, Shafia. How many cells we need in Kana map?
8, sir.
Yes, we need 2 to the power 3, 8 cells. Okay. Like this, I do the Kana map. Right. Duria, let me know the headers. So the variables and headers. Here, A,
A,
here, BC.
BC.
Even we can take like this. Here, I am taking A, B, C. It is also okay, right? A, B, C, okay. Even we can write A, B, C. It is also okay. I am taking here A, B, C like that. Same. Right, Duria, can you tell me the headers, column headers and the row headers? Column headers,
0, 0,
0, 0,
0, 1,
0, 1,
1, 1,
1, 1,
1, 0,
1, 0. Row headers,
0, 1.
0, 1. Right, I'm going to mark the ones here. Okay, A, B bar, C. A, B bar, C means 1, 0, 1. Okay, here A is here. So 1, 0, 1, 0 means here. A, B, 1, 0. C is 1. That means here. Okay, here 1 comes. And A bar, B bar, C bar, that means 0, 0, 0. Okay, 0, 0, 0 means 1 comes here. Okay, all right. A bar, B, C, that means 0, 1, 1. Okay, 0, 1, 1. A 0, B 1, and C 1. Here 1 comes. Here A bar, B, C bar. That means 0, 1, 0. Okay, 0, 1, 0. Okay, 1 comes here. And the last min term A, B, C bar. That means 1, 1, 0. Okay, 1, 1, 0. 1 comes here. Now we have to group it. How to group it? Yeah, we can group like this. We can group like this and can group like this. And this one, I told top to bottom, left to right, and wrapped around. So we can group like this. Even this is wrapped around. So these corner ones we can group. Even this corner ones we can group. Okay, all right. So 3 groups are there. Each group 2 ones are there. So by using this, we can easily have the simplified SOP expression. So earlier we used, if we want to simplify this, we used Boolean algebra laws. So we have to remember all the 9 laws. Some laws, there are several laws. If we take the idempotent law, there are several laws.